Struggling with joint pain? Discover the top 3 plant-based proteins that fight inflammation and help relieve arthritis. These are backed by science and naturally effective. That morning stiffness, the aches that slow you down, it's frustrating, and medications often come with side effects. But what if relief could start in your kitchen? Food is powerful medicine, especially for chronic conditions like arthritis. Today, we'll explore 3 plant-based proteins proven to fight inflammation and support your joints. I'll break down the science and show you easy, delicious ways to add these superfoods to your routine. Let's get started on your journey to less pain and more freedom. Our first powerhouse is the humble lentil. Tiny, affordable, and packed with anti-inflammatory polyphenols. Lentils have been a staple in diets around the world for thousands of years, and for good reason. These small but mighty legumes are not only easy to find and budget-friendly, but they also deliver a remarkable nutritional punch that can make a real difference in your health, especially when it comes to joint pain and inflammation. Think of these polyphenols as firefighters, rushing in to calm the flames of joint inflammation. When you eat lentils, you're essentially sending in a team of microscopic heroes to help cool down the heat and swelling that can make your joints ache. These compounds work at a cellular level, helping to neutralize harmful molecules that trigger inflammation, and in turn, they can help you feel more comfortable and mobile. Lentils are also loaded with protein and fiber, which help build strong muscles around your joints and keep your blood sugar stable, both crucial for reducing pain. The protein in lentils supports muscle repair and growth, which is especially important if you're trying to stay active or recover from injury. Meanwhile, the fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those spikes and crashes that can worsen inflammation and leave you feeling sluggish. Unlike animal proteins, lentils are low in unhealthy fats that can worsen inflammation. Many traditional sources of protein, like red meat or processed meats, are high in saturated fats, which have been linked to increased inflammation and joint discomfort. Lentils, on the other hand, provide all the benefits of protein without the downside, making them a heart-healthy and joint-friendly choice. Their versatility is unmatched. Toss them in soups, stews, salads, or even make plant-based burgers. You can blend them into dips, use them as a filling for wraps, or add them to casseroles for extra nutrition. Whether you prefer a warm, comforting bowl of lentil soup on a chilly day, or a refreshing lentil salad in the summer, there's a lentil recipe for every taste and season. Red and yellow lentils cook quickly and are perfect for creamy soups, while green and brown lentils hold their shape for salads and bowls. This means you can whip up a nourishing meal in under 30 minutes, even on your busiest days. Plus, their mild, earthy flavor pairs well with a variety of herbs and spices, so you can get creative in the kitchen without much effort. Lentils also feed your gut's good bacteria, which is linked to lower inflammation throughout your body. The fiber in lentils acts as a prebiotic, providing fuel for the beneficial microbes in your digestive system. A healthy gut microbiome is increasingly recognized as a key player in managing inflammation, not just in your joints, but throughout your entire body. A healthy gut means a healthier, less inflamed you. When your digestive system is thriving, you're more likely to experience better energy, improved mood, and less discomfort in your joints. It's a ripple effect that starts with what you put on your plate. Try a simple lentil soup or a refreshing lentil salad with veggies and lemon vinaigrette. These dishes are not only delicious but also easy to prepare, making it simple to add more lentils to your weekly routine. You can batch cook lentils ahead of time and store them in the fridge, ready to toss into any meal for a quick boost. You don't need to be a chef. Just add them to your meals for a big nutritional boost. Even a small scoop of cooked lentils can transform a salad, grain bowl, or soup into a more satisfying and nourishing dish. They're a great way to stretch your meals further and make every bite count. Lentils are a gentle, powerful way to fight inflammation, build strength, and support your joints from the inside out. Over time, making lentils a regular part of your diet can help you stay active, flexible, and independent, no matter your age. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and a true staple for anyone seeking natural joint relief. You'll find them in every grocery store, often in bulk bins or pre-packaged, and they have a long shelf life, so you can always keep some on hand for quick, healthy meals. Make lentils a regular part of your diet and feel the difference in your energy and mobility. Many people notice that after just a few weeks of including lentils in their meals, they feel lighter, more energetic, and experience less stiffness in their joints. Remember, small changes add up. Start with one meal a week. As you get comfortable, you can experiment with new recipes and gradually increase how often you enjoy lentils. Before you know it, you'll have a new healthy habit that supports your joints and your overall well-being. Your joints will thank you. With every bite, you're giving your body the tools it needs to heal, strengthen, and thrive. Embrace lentils for a simple, delicious step toward less pain. Whether you're cooking for yourself or sharing a meal with loved ones, lentils can bring both comfort and health to your table. Let's move on to our next superfood and discover even more ways to support your joints naturally. Next up is quinoa, a remarkable seed that's often mistaken for a grain, but actually belongs to the same family as spinach and beets. This ancient crop has been cultivated in the Andes for thousands of years, prized by the Incas as the mother of all grains. Today, it's celebrated worldwide for its unique nutritional profile and versatility in the kitchen. What sets quinoa apart is that it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. This is rare among plant foods, making quinoa a standout choice for anyone looking to boost their protein intake, especially if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet. For those managing arthritis, this complete protein profile is a game changer. Your body needs these amino acids to repair and rebuild cartilage, maintain strong muscles that support your joints, and recover from daily wear and tear. Including quinoa in your meals helps ensure your body has the full toolkit it needs for healing and mobility. Quinoa is also a powerhouse when it comes to minerals. It's especially rich in magnesium, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in relaxing muscles, reducing cramps, and controlling inflammation throughout the body. Magnesium also supports nerve function and helps regulate blood pressure, which is important for overall health as we age. But that's not all. Quinoa is loaded with antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol. These powerful plant compounds help neutralize free radicals, protecting your joints from oxidative stress, which acts like rust inside your body and can accelerate cartilage breakdown. By fighting this internal rust, quinoa helps keep your joints resilient and healthy. Another benefit, quinoa is naturally gluten-free and easy to digest. For people with sensitive stomachs, celiac disease, or autoimmune arthritis, this means you can enjoy quinoa without worrying about digestive discomfort or triggering inflammation. Preparing quinoa couldn't be easier. Simply rinse it to remove its natural coating, then simmer with water or broth for about 15 minutes. Once it's fluffy and tender, you can use it as a base for nourishing bowls, toss it into salads, or even turn it into a warm breakfast porridge with fruit and nuts. Quinoa's mild, nutty flavor pairs beautifully with roasted vegetables, beans, or leafy greens. Try it as a swap for rice or pasta, or stuff it into bell peppers for a hearty, satisfying meal. The possibilities are endless, making it easy to add variety to your anti-inflammatory diet. You'll find quinoa in several varieties, white, red, and black, each offering a slightly different texture and flavor. Mixing them together creates a colorful, appealing dish that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Thanks to its high protein and fiber content, quinoa helps keep you full for longer and stabilizes your blood sugar. Its low glycemic index means it won't cause spikes and crashes, which is especially important for reducing inflammation triggers and supporting steady energy throughout the day. Incorporating quinoa into your weekly meal prep is a simple, effective way to layer more anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. It's quick to cook, stores well in the fridge, and can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. If you're new to quinoa, start by adding just one meal a week, perhaps a vibrant grain bowl for lunch or a cozy breakfast porridge topped with berries and seeds. Over time, you'll discover how easy it is to make quinoa a regular part of your routine. Quinoa isn't just a trendy superfood, it's a time-tested foundation for joint health and overall wellness. Sharing a quinoa meal with family or friends is a delicious way to support your body and connect over nourishing food. With every serving, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to heal, move better, and stay active, no matter your age or activity level. Make quinoa a regular part of your weekly menu, and you'll be investing in stronger, happier joints for years to come. Now let's discover our final plant-based powerhouse. On to chia seeds. Our last superfood is the tiny but mighty chia seed. Don't let their small size fool you. These little seeds have been prized for centuries, dating all the way back to ancient Aztec and Mayan cultures, who valued them for their energy-boosting and healing properties. Today, chia seeds are celebrated as a nutritional powerhouse, especially for those looking to support joint health and reduce inflammation naturally. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which directly fight inflammation by blocking pain-causing molecules. These healthy fats are essential for your body, but many people don't get enough of them in their daily diet. Omega-3s help calm the body's inflammatory response, which is especially important for anyone dealing with joint pain, stiffness, or swelling. When soaked, chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water and form a gel-like coating. This unique property helps hydrate your body and lubricate your joints. Think of it as an internal oil change that keeps everything moving smoothly. The gel also slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy and helping to prevent blood sugar spikes. They're also rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, building strong bones and supporting joint health. In fact, gram for gram, chia seeds contain more calcium than most dairy products, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to strengthen their bones, especially as we age. Magnesium and phosphorus work together to keep your muscles and nerves functioning properly, further supporting your body's mobility. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to use. Just stir them into smoothies, sprinkle on oatmeal or salads, or make a simple chia pudding with plant milk and fruit. Their mild, nutty flavor blends seamlessly into both sweet and savory dishes, so you can get creative with how you add them to your meals. Try mixing them into yogurt, baking them into muffins, or even using them as an egg substitute in recipes. Their high fiber feeds your gut's good bacteria, further reducing inflammation. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide nearly half your daily fiber needs, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and supports a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is closely linked to lower inflammation throughout the body, including in your joints. Chia seeds help you feel full, which can support healthy weight and reduce pressure on your joints. Because they expand in your stomach, they help curb hunger and prevent overeating, making them a smart addition to any weight management plan. Maintaining a healthy weight is one of the best ways to ease joint discomfort and improve mobility. Even a tablespoon a day can make a difference. You don't need a lot to start seeing benefits. Just a small scoop added to your daily routine can help you move with more comfort and less pain. No cooking required, just add to your favorite foods and enjoy. Chia seeds are one of the most convenient superfoods out there, perfect for busy mornings or quick snacks. You can even prepare overnight chia pudding for a grab-and-go breakfast. Their protein content, while modest, still helps repair tissues and keep you satisfied. Combined with their healthy fats and fiber, chia seeds offer a balanced nutritional boost that supports muscle recovery and overall well-being. Remember to drink plenty of liquid with chia seeds so they can form their beneficial gel. This not only helps with hydration, but also ensures you get the full digestive and joint-supporting benefits of these seeds. Chia seeds are a convenient, powerful addition to any anti-inflammatory diet. They fit seamlessly into plant-based, gluten-free, and dairy-free lifestyles, making them accessible to almost everyone. Start with a spoonful in your breakfast or snack and build from there. Over time, you'll notice the difference in your energy, digestion, and joint comfort. These tiny seeds pack a big punch for joint relief. Their unique combination of nutrients works together to soothe inflammation, strengthen bones, and keep you moving with ease. Make them a daily habit for better mobility and less pain. Whether you're an athlete, a busy parent, or simply want to stay active as you age, chia seeds can help you feel your best every day. So next time you're looking for a simple way to boost your joint health and overall wellness, reach for chia seeds. Let's wrap up with how to put all this into action. There you have it, lentils, quinoa, and chia seeds. 3 plant-based powerhouses for joint relief. These foods are more than nutrition. They're natural medicine for your joints. Start small, try a lentil soup, swap in quinoa, or add chia seeds to your breakfast. Consistency is key. Each small change builds a foundation for lasting relief. Listen to your body and celebrate every step forward. If you found this helpful, subscribe and join our community for more science-backed natural health tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to a future with less pain and more movement. Take the first step today. Your joints will thank you.